Wait. Nobody opened anything yet. I have to find the right one. Look, it's Ariel. This one's for Nikki. And that's for Mary Jane. And look, a pink present for Isabel.
I open it now.
Yes. You open it, Nikki. Go ahead, open it. I hope you like it. Look, it's a box. It's a box. I think you have to look inside of it.
What is it?
Look, I'll help you.
I've never done inside of it.
Wait till she opens hers up and you can open it at the same time. Go ahead. Here, let me help you.
I don't have to open it. Okay.
Alright, ready, Mary Jane? Do you know what that is? It's a backpack.
You put them on your
back.
I didn't know about that.
Do you like a snow monster? You do? Yeah.
I wanted it.
What do you think, Isabel? Do you like it or you're not into monsters?
I don't like monsters, but I know karate can speak them. Come on,
Look at how cool.